Hello viewers, today I am going to start Java lectures. First of all, I would like to discuss two things here. The number one is low level programming languages and high level programming languages. So low level programming languages are those programming languages which are easy to process for computer. Means these are near to binary or machine or computer language. For example, I can say here the low level languages are machine language, main binary language, and the second one is assembly language. These languages are low level languages. High level languages are those languages which are great in human understanding. Means these languages are short in coding and near to human language respective to these machine languages. So we are going to discuss Java here. Java is high level language, C++ is high level language, and Python and many more languages are here which are high level languages. So we are going to discuss Java. In Java today we will learn our first code, our first program of Java, and I will not here discuss many more things like object oriented program at this beginning level, object oriented programming, and something like that. I will discuss these later with the respective videos. Now I am going to write our first Java program. Our first Java program. First Java program. So in programming we will start to follow the JavaScript like as first of all in Java we write as public class, and here we need to give class a name. For example, I am giving a name hello. This is a name of this program I am going to write. Here I have to start this class, and the second thing again we need to write more things like that, like as public static void main, here string args, and here we have to start this. Yeah. In these brackets I am closing this one here and closing this one here. In these brackets there this space, here we will write our code, our desired code. Here we are going to write program what we want to do. For example, I am going very basic statement of Java system dot out dot print ln, and here I am writing codes and here I can write anything in between these codes, and I have to close these. For example, I am writing here hello and welcome to skills. What this program will perform, I'm going to write the output of this program as output. This program simply give us an output of these things which is written in codes, same as it is. For example, as welcome to skill. This is the output of this program. We studied a new statement, system.out.println. So we need in Java programming, first of all we need to write this one public class, same in every class, every program, and give it to name like hello something according to our desire. And there is some kind of rule, but not necessary to keep every class name start with capital. So yeah, and the second one again, public static void main string, and these brackets and args, and then start again. So this program is written in this format, these and close. This is the main structure of Java program. Now I am going to discuss two things here, like I'm going to discuss here two methods, system.out.print and system.out.println. So these two statements are different, and we've seen a statement like that. We have written here hello, and here again we are writing hello. No. Now what is difference between these two lines? This is print method and this is println method. This print method continues the same line which is being processed. For example, in output there was already output before this statement. There was an output of like this, and then this statement comes in, then this will perform as hello in front of it. Okay, this means this ln is giving us a line break. For example, you can see here again this program was as Khalid, then this statement comes, this will perform as this will cut a line and go to hello. You can see here the difference between print and println. Println statement. These two statements are different, and you can see here the difference of these lines in programming. Now I am going to discuss one more thing, and those things are comments. Comments in programming. Programmers always use comments in programming to show some things, like for remembering everything. For example, we can write anything, any line with two slashes, and this will not include in programming. This will be for our remembrance of something. We can write here something that we want to remember, and we can write I was discussing about the comments. We can write start with this. You can see here I'm going to, and you can end this with this, and you can write in many lines between these. Everything between these two, this and this one, will be included as comments. We are going to write another code to show you how comments work. For example, I'm going to write another code same was before, like I'm going to start a code with the same. You can see here public class, and I am going it name me. I'm going to start it. Now I'm going to write it next lines public static void main string args, and I am going to start it. Now I am going to write here a code. What I am going to perform, I am going to perform simple things like that. System dot out dot print ln, in quotes I am going to write that my name is I'm going to here you can see here I have completed my code. Means in sense of program, this program is completed. Now I can write here anything as comments. For example, I am starting from here in this line. I am going to there dots dots dots. This line is included as comments, and I am ending this comment section here, and I am writing here in this line my first program. This line will not affect the code was written before. Code's output will remain same as was before. Now this is for my remembrance that was my first code, and here I can also write in a line that working code. Now this, after these two slashes I can write only a single line of comments, and in between these two, this one and this one, I can write anything. In anything between these two will be counted as comments. So you can see here how comment section works. I will show these codes you on running jGRASP. You can see here now in jGRASP as a tutorial. Hello viewers, now we are here on screen. I have opened jGRASP and simply click here file, new Java file, and you can type here any code like I have typed in before. So you can see here I'm going to open that code. So sorry about that. You can see the code. I have written a code. And you can see here the result. I'm clicking here to play button, and this will show a screen. Here you can change the delay. I have set the delay 3 seconds. Every line will run after 3 seconds. I'm clicking here for play. This line executed, first line, second line, and the third line. I told you before that ln println gives us a break. Here is line break, and after that print will be on a line, and after that print will join the same line was before this line. This line is joined by the next statement. You can see here clearly. Now I am going to add comments section here. I'm adding here like I'm starting a comment section as you can see here everything is included in comments. Now I'm writing here my first program. I'm writing here something else, hello, and this one, this thing, anything. And I need to close this. I have closed. Now this program is this line is in comment section, and I can add many lines, as many as I want. Okay, now I'm going to a single line comment like as double slash. It's working. No, these are mine comments. These are for mind remembrance, only for programmer to remember things. And you can see here this will not affect the previous output. I'm going to run it again, and you can see here the arrow is pointing this line. This line is being performed at very first, this is being performed second time, and this is being performed third time, and same at the same time you can see here the output. Thank you very much for now. We will see you later.